Alright, we have made quite a bit of progress with the build so far. Now this is time to move on to the wheels. I've got these 38C lightweight carbon wheel, carbon spoke, export nipple that unbox. So I'm hoping to set it up tonight with these Michelin 30C bad boy Power Club tires. And for the inner chip, I'm just gonna set up some standard built-out inner chip that I have got lying around, just to do the basic setup. Then later on, I will probably move it on to set up tubeless. So I'm gonna apply the tubeless rim tape as well. So hopefully it will be a quick process. Hopefully shouldn't be any major drama here tonight. Alright, let's get rolling.
I don't think we can quite finish this video without checking the free hub sound. So let me spin the crank for a little bit. You guys can hear it and let me know what do you think. Compared to other wheels that I have got, these sets of wheels are relatively quiet. I do quite like the sound of the free hub, but let me know what you think. Give me a comment. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. See you guys later. Bye for now.